See, this car is moving in straight line. So there are two forces. One is normal reaction, which is in this direction. The weight is in the downward direction, and the force of friction between the tires and surface of the road. So when the car takes turn, now if the car takes turn along this curve, then in that case the force that is acting is the centripetal due to the circular motion of the car toward the center. So this force is acting centripetal force, and the normal reaction is acting here. So in this way the car is moving, the normal reaction is acting in this direction. The weight of the car will be here. Suppose this is the car here, weight will be in the downward direction, mg. So in that case the centripetal force is balanced by only the force of normal reaction. So we know that this force of the normal reaction or weight here, this force of is directly proportional to the m, or we can also write Fn is equal to mu into mg, because here the proportionality constant alpha, mu is the proportionality constant here of alpha, and n is equal to mg. Now this centripetal force, you know that the centripetal force will be equals to mv square upon r. If you balance the two forces, this is equation number 1 and equation number 2, then this force is equal to this force. Putting the two equations, you will get mv square by r is equal to mu into mg, and mu will get cancelled out. So v is equal to under root of mu into r. So this is the velocity of the car along the horizontal curve road. Remember this, it is very simple. So velocity depend upon the radius and coefficient of friction, and g is the acceleration due to gravity. Okay.